Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a durable paper sword. First, gather your materials. You'll need several sheets of thick paper, like cardstock or poster board, for the blade and hilt. A strong adhesive, such as hot glue or craft glue, is essential for bonding. Also, have a ruler, pencil, and scissors or a craft knife ready. For extra durability, consider a wooden dowel or a sturdy cardboard tube for the sword's core. Now, let's construct the blade. Begin by rolling several sheets of paper tightly around your chosen core, whether it's a wooden dowel or a cardboard tube. Apply glue generously between each layer as you roll to ensure a solid, unyielding structure. Aim for a blade thickness of at least 1 inch or about 2.5 centimeters to maximize its strength. Finally, taper the end of the blade to form a sharp, sword-like point. Next, we'll add the hilt and guard. Cut out several paper shapes for these components, ensuring they are robust. Layer and glue these pieces securely around the base of your blade, creating a strong connection. Design the hilt to be comfortable for gripping, ideally about 5 to 6 inches long or 12 to 15 centimeters. Reinforce all points where the hilt and guard meet the blade with additional glue for maximum stability and longevity. For the final touches and ultimate durability, apply a generous layer of craft glue or Mod Podge over the entire sword. This creates a protective shell. Allow each coat to dry completely, which might take several hours, before applying a second or third layer. For a better grip, consider wrapping the hilt with electrical tape or a strip of fabric. Once all layers are dry, you can paint or decorate your sword to personalize your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.